Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of budget car rental. If you're planning a trip this year and need to rent a car that's affordable, reliable, and available almost anywhere, you've probably come across budget car rental. But is budget still worth it in 2025? At the end of this video, I'll share my honest conclusion on whether it's the best rental company for you this year. Let's get started. Budget car rental was founded back in 1958 in Los Angeles. From the very beginning, the idea was simple: to provide affordable rental cars for budget-conscious travelers. Fast forward to today, and Budget has grown into one of the most recognized car rental brands in the world. It operates under the Avis Budget Group, alongside brands like Avis and Zipcar. The company now has a massive presence with more than 3,000 locations across over 120 countries. You'll find budget counters at major airports, city centers, and even suburban areas, which makes it incredibly convenient for both businesses and leisure travelers. The brand's entire identity revolves around one word: value. It's designed for people who don't want to overspend on a rental but still want a reliable, professional experience. Budget offers everything from small economy cars for quick city trips to SUVs and vans for families or longer road journeys. Over the years, Budget has developed a reputation for being practical. It doesn't try to compete with the luxury or premium segment. Instead, it focuses on giving you a fair deal, decent service, and a straightforward experience. And that's why it continues to attract millions of customers every year. Budget isn't flashy, but it gets the job done. Now, let us talk about the main features of Budget. The booking and payment options. Budget lets you book cars directly on their website, and sometimes through their mobile app, and even via third-party travel platforms. You can choose between the Pay Now, where you prepay to lock in a discounted rate, or Pay Later, which gives you more flexibility but usually costs a bit more. Vehicle selection. The fleet includes a wide range of vehicles, from small economy cars to mid-sized sedans, SUVs, convertibles, vans, and even trucks in some regions. Because Budget focuses on affordability, you might not find high-end luxury models, but you'll get dependable cars that are suitable for most trips. Long-term rentals. Budget also offers long-term and monthly rentals, which is a great option for people who need a car for several weeks or months without buying one. These plans often come with discounted daily rates and more flexible terms. Fast Break Loyalty Program. If you rent often, Budget's Fast Break program can save you time. And once you're enrolled, you can skip the counter at participating locations and head straight to your car. You'll also earn rewards over time and enjoy faster drop-offs. Add-ons and extras. Budget offers optional extras like GPS units, child seats, Wi-Fi, toll passes, and additional driver options. You can also choose from insurance and protection packages, including collision damage waivers and roadside assistance. And there's also the pick-up and drop-off option. Budget locations are known for being easily accessible, especially at airports. The check-in process is pretty standard. You inspect the car, sign off on its condition, and you're on your way. On return, a quick inspection is done before closing out your rental. Now, let us talk about the pricing. Budget prices are usually very competitive. They often undercut larger competitors like Hertz or Enterprise, especially if you use the Pay Now option. By prepaying online, you can save up to 30 to 35% of your total cost compared to paying at the counter. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Budget car rental? First, we talk about the pros. Affordable pricing. Budget consistently offers lower rates compared to many competitors, and that's a huge plus. Wide availability. With thousands of locations worldwide, you'll almost always find a Budget counter wherever you travel. The Fast Break program. Returning customers can enjoy faster check-ins, skip the line service, and enjoy loyalty benefits as well. Flexible vehicle options. Whether you're renting a compact car for a city use or an SUV for a family trip, Budget offers plenty of choices. How about the cons? Inconsistent service quality. Because usually the locations are often franchised, customer experiences can vary greatly. Then comes vehicle condition. Occasionally, vehicles may not be as clean or as new as you find with premium rental brands. So is Budget worth it in 2025? Well, the answer depends on what you're looking for. If you value affordability, accessibility, and practicality, then yes, Budget remains one of the best rental car options available today because, for one thing, it has a global reach. However, it's not perfect. If you're expecting luxury service or high-end vehicles, well, it might not always be the case. But overall, in 2025, Budget Car Rental continues to deliver on its promise, which is to offer affordable cars to make booking simple and have worldwide access. And that's it on the review of Budget Car Rental. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Hertz, Enterprise, and Alamo. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.